In this video, we're showing how to make a creamy carrot and sweet potato soup puree. Watch to the end to find out those small things that make this recipe special. Start by prepping the ingredients. Drain and rinse the white beans and then let them drain until you prepare the rest. Dice half of a medium yellow onion and mince a big clove of garlic. Transfer both onions and garlic to the small bowl and set aside. Peel the carrots. I've used jumbo carrots simply because I had them in the fridge, but any other kind will work well too. Trim the tops and the bottoms and cut them in rounds. Make sure the rounds are of the same thickness so that the carrots cook evenly and at the same time. Peel one sweet potato and cut it the same way as the carrots. Transfer to a tray and put both the bowl with the onion and garlic and the tray with carrots and sweet potatoes next to the stove. Heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pot and fry the onions and garlic on the moderate heat until translucent. Add about 1 tablespoon of za'atar, mix and fry everything together to combine the flavors. Add the carrots and sweet potatoes and mix everything again to coat the veggies with this warm mixture of onions, garlic and za'atar. Close the lid and let the veggies soften a bit on low heat. In the meantime, warm a knob of butter in a small skillet and add crushed hazelnuts. Season them with a couple of pinches of brown sugar and a couple of pinches of cinnamon. Mix and roast hazelnuts for a few minutes. Turn off the heat and let them cool. Check the veggies. They should have slightly changed their color on the round edges like this. If so, add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup and mix everything well again. Then pour in 1 liter of veggie stock. I've made mine with Better Than Bullion vegetable paste. Add the white beans and give it a stir. Taste and adjust the seasoning to your liking. Set the heat on high and let the soup boil. Once it boiled, return the heat to moderate, add 1 tablespoon of pomegranate molasses for a unique, savory, sweet taste, and simmer the soup until carrots are easily pierced with a fork. Turn off the heat and let the soup cool down for 10-15 minutes. Transfer the soup to the standing blender and use the setting for the puree or a smoothie to make the most versatile type of the food, my favorite soup puree. Return this vibrant and airy elixir, no more, no less, elixir, to the pot and serve in the bowls. For those of you who enjoy the soup art on Fabits and have already watched the other similar episodes, wait for it, as this one too comes in its own style. It is optional to add the freshly squeezed lemon juice, but plain yogurt is a must. Make sure you've beaten the yogurt to reach a liquid consistency and make a larger circle with pouring a spoon of yogurt on the soup surface. Then make a smaller circle or bold dots inside the first circle and with a chopstick draw a wild flower. Garnish with a couple teaspoons of roasted spicy hazelnuts. Top it with a sprinkle of za'atar and enjoy this delicious, soothing and flavorsome bowl of soup. All ingredients and measurements I left in the description below so that you could confidently try this recipe out. Share in the comments if you like soups that are turned in purees and which one is your go-to on a nasty day. Watch us again in a week and subscribe to Fabits to join this gourmet journey.